You put up the website and you still don't move.
That good website was not the wrong move. It was just insufficient on its own.
Right. But then you add data pins to it, which is a product that we conceptualize, and it sends daily digital branded signaling. So the uniqueness inherent within your daily activities is not only the best content to show to Google, but the other stuff is spammy at this point, meaning Google does need content. They want a good user experience, and now they're seeing where jobs are located that coincide with local search of local people that want my services.